All right, y'all, so check it out. I'm about to put my top back on a Gladiator. Now, I took it off by myself, and I took it off last weekend for the Topless Day event, and I just never put it back on. And one of the main reasons is I just didn't feel like being bothered with it because I had to take it off over this. And let me tell you, it was a struggle going up, over, down, and back down. But now, I got to put it back on by myself. So somehow I got to figure it out. So I figured I'd record it, let y'all see my struggle of having to put this thing back on over that by myself. Because obviously coming this way was a little bit easier, but now I got to go up and over. So y'all get to watch. So let's see how it works. Now, I'm going to try to reverse what I did to put it on here, which I don't think is going to work, but let's see. D-man. Then I gotta try not to rip my cover to my RTT. So instead of just sliding it, I want to walk it. You know what? This is not as bad as I thought it was. Seems like it's a little bit easier going up than it was coming down. I don't know. I can leave it like that. So now the next task is to get it on top and over the hump. So, and try not to fall at the same time. All right. Hey, how you doing? All right. All right, not that far. Try not to rip my tent cover. See if I can walk it up on there. Probably not a good idea for me with my bad shoulders, especially my right one, but ain't much of an option I got. Walk. 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 Now I'm gonna get up here. Pick it up. Uh-oh. Didn't want that to happen. Let's see if I can get it up to the roll bar at least. I don't feel like I want to put my foot in there, but give me some leverage. Not that far. All right. Getting better. Ladder's right there, so if I step in that. Now this could have been solved with a top hoist, but yeah. Now what I need to do is I need to get down and take my shade, my web shade, and flip it back to the back so it's not in the way of my freedom panel. Straps loose. Get on up and try to walk it on up there. Kid y'all not. That would a whole lot easier to get coming off. Right in. Right in. Just so y'all know, I usually take my doors off all the time, but I don't take the top off pretty regularly. But I only put 4 bolts in the thing. 1 on the top in the back part, and 2 up front where the freedom panels go. That's all I put in. No wind noise, no leaks or anything. It's way up there. Go ahead and tighten this down. Top is off. Now it's time to put the doors back on. Let's only put this on finger tight. Take my mirrors off, too easy. Good thing I like about the JTs and the JLs, the doors are lighter. On our JK, man, they're so much heavier. Oh yeah, something I want to show y'all real quick is these Coyote Lange mirrors. I've had these for like, oh man, over a year and a half now, since I first started taking these doors off. These things are great. I mean, you can either put the set pin in it, or you can use these where you can turn them with your hand, and boom, there you go. Take them off, unscrew that, and you're done. Put these on from day one and had no problems out of them. So, Coyote Lange, y'all. And there's something else I want to show y'all. If you notice, I don't have the door pins. Well, this one came off, but I got these right here. You can get them off of Amazon for like 16 bucks or something like that. Door pin guides, you can put those on there. Because to be honest, once you get it lined up, oh, wait a minute. They slide right in. Put the door pin bolt in there so you can find the bolt. Hook up the plug, and you're good to go. Now, if you notice, I didn't put those back in there because you don't need them. But leave them out, put guide pins on there, do whatever, but you don't need them. Now for your first time Jeep owners that might be watching this video, the reason you put the passenger side in first is because the passenger side has the rubber. This has to sit on top of that. So you put the passenger side in first, put this on top of the rubber, that way it seals, and put the guide pins in, lock it down, so easy. Now, the only reason I'm putting this stuff back on here is because I'm going up to Uwari to do a little bit of wheeling. And I was gonna go up first thing in the morning, but got my tent, got nothing to do tonight, so I'm gonna drive on up there tonight, pop the tent out, sleep, take my camping stove, cook some food in the morning, meet up with some friends up there, have a good time, sit and chit chat about Jeeps or whatever, and call it a day, and come home. But gotta get there first. All right, so appreciate y'all sticking with me. I'm gonna pull on out of here so I can get on up there and at least get to the campsite. Stopping by a couple things on the way, some water, ice, snacks, a couple things to cook in the morning, and we're gonna hit it. So appreciate y'all sticking with me as I rush and get ready to roll out. The next video that you see will be some footage and some video from us up there on the trail at Uwari. Hopefully I can get some good stuff. The Jeep, some other Jeeps. Maybe I have a little area where I can put the drone out, get some good footage of that, and we'll hook y'all up. So see y'all in a little bit. Go change your life, fellas.